everyone. Are you suffering from the problem of overeating? If yes, this video is for all those people who are tend to eat their food on large portion and tend to suffer from various health issues. So today I will discuss with you all some harmful effects of overeating. So whether you are at home or you are outside somewhere, you tend to eat the stuff which are available at in front of you. It can be a junk food, it can be a healthy food. So you tend up eating more amount of that food. So if you are unaware about the portion sizes and you overeat your food, it can create a very negative health consequences. So I am going to discuss with you all some harmful effects of overeating. The first harmful effect is that it promotes excess body fat. Yes, overeating is closely linked to excess body fat and it led to obesity, due to which your body intaking more calorie which is required. So you tend to gain weight frequently. So you need to know what is your portion size and how you need to control those portion sizes. Next harmful effect is that it may disturb your hunger regulation. Chronic overeating may override your hormones that can feel yourself full. So it led to gain your weight on a faster pace. The next harmful effect is that it may increase your risk of some diseases. Like chronic overeating may promote obesity and can disturb your insulin level. So you can suffer from various metabolic syndromes. It can be stroke, it can be heart attack, it can be diabetes, it can be a risk of hypertension. So you need to control your portion size when you eat your stuff. It can also harmful for your brain function. Like chronic overeating led to obesity, and it can decline your aging effect and can lead to many of the various brain can impact your brain function. So you need to control your portion sizes. Then it can also create excess of bloating and gas around your stomach. When you eat every kind of stuff, for example, you are eating simple carbs, you are drinking milk on it, or you are adding a fiber stuff, when you are combining all the kind of nutrients, then it can create bloating and acid issue, which can again lead to various harmful effects. So eating a large portion of spicy or fatty food can cause you gas and bloating, and it can also lead you for sleepless night. So overeating may cause some people to feel sleepy or uncomfortable when you sleep. So this may be due to excess insulin production or can lead to low blood sugar level. So the bottom line is that you just need to be careful about what you are eating and pay more of the attention on the quality and quantity of food which you are eating. If you desire, you can also consult to dietitian that can help you out to eating a balanced and the diet plan which give you a good health benefit. This is my diet tip for you to eat the food which help you to maintain a healthy weight. If you too have such kind of issues, you can feel free to contact us on our WhatsApp number. So this is my tip for today. If you want to know about more tips, you can always log into our IGTV channel. Thank you very much.